Featherlight Coaches is excited to present to the world the first ever Epic Motorcoach. Epic Motorcoach is a new brand of motor coaches crafted exclusively on the Prevost X chassis and marketed only through Featherlight Coaches. These handcrafted motorhomes will offer either a bunk or bath and a half floor plan and combine state-of-the-art electronics, luxurious interior finishes, and tried and true components to ensure each journey is an epic adventure. Join us for a brief image tour of this incredible new Epic Motorcoach. To learn more about Epic Motorcoach models, please contact Featherlight Coaches at info@featherlightcoaches.com or visit www.epicmotorcoach.com.